Greetings to everyone who is perceiving it across the globe. Regardless of which field of endeavor you may have, you must have a strong command of prefixes used in SI base unit, which is accepted globally. To your utter epiphany, I tell you, many of your friends or fellow classmates may still stammer on this basic even after graduating. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first question that may be hovering in your mind is that what are the prefixes and why should we be apprehensive about them? For beginners, prefixes lets you scale units. Physical quantities come in huge range of sizes. Prefixes are the scaling factor that lets you write numbers across the range without having to put everything in standard form. These are the most common prefixes you will come across. Firstly, femto is 10 to the power minus 15, pico is 10 to the power minus 12, nano is 10 to the power minus 9, micro is 10 to the power minus 6, milli is 10 to the power minus 3, centi is 10 to the power minus 2, deci is 10 to the power minus 1, and meter is simply 10 to the power 0. Again, kilo is 10 to the power 3, mega is 10 to the power 6, giga is 10 to the power 9, tera is 10 to the power 12. The epitomic examples would be like 1 femtometer is simply you multiply it with the prefixes 10 to the power minus 15, you get into the standard form, that is meter. 1 nanometer is 1 into 10 to the power minus 9, so you get into meter, and so on. But the more sophisticated problem is converting between prefixes themselves. The articulated rule here is very simple. The prefix provided in the question would be multiplied, and where asked to move, that prefix would be divided. The example 2 will clear out any confusion. Convert 3 centigrams to milligrams. So this is given centigram, and we are asked to move to milligram. So you multiply the given prefixes is 10 to the power minus 2, and you divide by 10 to the power minus 3. So you get 30 milligram. Similarly, for the example 3 is also can be solved in this manner, 0.247 megawatt to kilowatt. Mega is given and we are asked to move to kilo. So you multiply by the given prefixes and divide it by the prefixes that you are asked to move. So you get your answer, 247 kilowatt. So I hope this conspicuous recapitulation of prefixes aided to resolve any ambivalence you have regarding this topic. I tried to amalgamate this forthright lecture through profound research, but due to technical limitations, if you find any trivial matters, please be oblivious about them, but definitely for any queries or suggestion, comment or mail. Thanks everyone, and here are the references book you may look into. Thanks.